that were tentacles. And your secret stupid game. Nah, it was the wind. The wind pushed me forward. Let me try again. Be back right in a second. Oh, oh. Secret tunnel. Secret. Oh, I nearly. Oh, damn it. We're just gonna go until we get secret tunnel. Bah humbug.
Okay, fine, let's start now. Oh.
Don't say anything. Secret tunnel. Secret tunnel. I got it, guys. Totally, yeah.